Are you dreaming of a European adventure? Imagine exploring the romantic streets of Paris, soaking in the history of Rome, or cruising through Amsterdam's canals, all in one trip. For many travelers, the key to unlocking this dream is a Schengen Visa. So, what is a Schengen Visa? It's an official travel document that allows you to visit 26 European countries, known as the Schengen area, with just one visa. Whether it's for a vacation, business trip, or family visit, this visa gives you up to 90 days within a 180-day period to explore the best of Europe without border restrictions. The Schengen area is made up of 26 countries, including Austria, Belgium, France, and Germany, Spain, Italy, and the Netherlands. Plus, non-EU countries like Norway, Iceland, and Switzerland. There are three main types of Schengen visas. 1. Uniform Schengen Visa, USV, ideal for tourism, business, or short visits. Limited Territorial Validity Visa, LTV, for travel to specific Schengen countries. National Visa, for long-term stays like studying, working, or family reunions. Applying for a Schengen Visa is straightforward. Here's what you'll need: completed visa application form, a valid passport and recent photos, proof of travel arrangements and accommodations, financial documents to show you can support your trip, travel insurance covering medical emergencies, and finally, an interview at the embassy or consulate of your main destination. With a Schengen Visa, the possibilities are endless. Travel across multiple countries with one visa. Immerse yourself in diverse cultures, cuisines, and languages. Enjoy smooth business trips or once-in-a-lifetime vacations without worrying about border checks. Your European adventure is closer than you think. The Schengen Visa is your ticket to a world of history, culture, and breathtaking landscapes. Start your journey today.